interrupt your regularly scheduled program when blimps attack to bring you this emergency announcement.
An emergency.
We have reports of a disturbance in the downtown area and are getting word that the RoboReady Corporation has issued the following press release.
Love those guys.
Your trusted friends at RoboReady want to reassure you that the rumors you've heard are very likely exaggerated.
I trust them.
There is nothing to fear. The allegations that our new TAL Series 9 are malfunctioning have not been verified by any reputable source.
Hey, I'm a TAL 9. We're
The
famous.
TAL 9s may appear to be destroying property, but it is equally possible that they are simply carrying out one of our many urban renewal programs. They are almost certainly not running amok.
I'd like to run amok.
You are likely almost entirely safe. We stake our reputation on it.
Excuse me.
Well, there you have it. Hold on a moment. Unconfirmed sources are telling us that the malfunction may be spreading to TAL 9s in other parts of the city. In response, RoboReady may be issuing a citywide recall. Until the recallers have the situation under control, the one thing you absolutely must do is...
Welcome, Agent 34, and congratulations on your promotion to the ranks for RoboReady Recall Specialist.
My name is Dolores, and I'm your Artificial Intelligence Deputy. I'm here to help you excel at RoboReady.
We've arrived at your state-of-the-art RoboReady work facility.
Let's get started. Tilt the thumbstick forward, aim the beam
At the location in front of you.
Nice job, Agent. You can also change which way you're facing when you teleport. As before, tilt and hold.
Now rotate the
As before,
tilt and hold the thumbstick to aim the beam at the location in front of you. When teleporting, rotate the... Notice this previous...
now observe that the product has multiple white rings.
Anything with multiple white rings can be torn. Excellent work. Always keep an eye out for multiple white rings when you're holding something. Next up, you can teleport around the office to see all of the state-of-the-art robo resources now at your disposal.
Go ahead.
Try it. Whenever a RoboReady product displays any sort of defect, such as memory leak, power surge, or homicide, our RoboReady recall specialists leap into action.
Great work. When you're ready,
Teleport to the objective marker. Just move the thumbstick until the blue target is in the correct spot. Then let go. Welcome to weapons training. Now, for a little target practice. We're teleporting pistols to the holsters at your hips. Look down and look.
every time you draw a pistol, RoboReady's supply team receives a requisition request. They will teleport new pistols to you as soon as possible, so check your holsters often.
Now you're armed. Just squeeze the trigger to shoot. Agent 34, we are getting reports of a hotspot in the city where multiple RoboReady products have gone rogue. Please note, product defects are always the result of user error. RoboReady not responsible. It's time to test your recall skills in the field. Please hold for teleport. Welcome to the city center, Agent 34. RoboReady needs you to investigate the malfunctioning products. Look out, Agent! Incoming!
It burns! Is this the end of me?
We evaluate your performance by your score, which you can see here. This is your multiplier.
collect chips to increase your multiplier and drastically increase your score. Defective products. Shoot them, Agent 30. Move up the alley. Agent, more crawlers. Fight your way up the alley.
It's Agent 34. Not good, not good. Plot to Barada, Nick 2. Robot heaven, I see it. Daisy, Daisy, give me your
Agent,
heart.
you can grab and throw bullets.
I was
That
just
was a
getting...
smooth recall. Keep moving down the alley.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Plot to Barada, Nick 2.
Power down. Service with
Move
us.
to the intersection, Agent 34.
Not good.
Agent, we're teleporting weapons to your back holsters. Reach over your shoulders and grab your new shotguns.
The pain.
Robot heaven, I see it.
Low power. It burns. A promotion. Ow, ow, ow. Not good. No screen.
This area is a hot spot. We should clear it.
Hey, buddy. I'm Philip. I'm going to integrate to your environment.
Agent 34, are you receiving transmissions from an AI calling itself Philip? Please disregard anything this AI says. It is an older, erratic model scheduled for shutdown.
She's so sweet on me. Tries to hide it, but I can tell.
RoboReady is reading a large uptick of rogue robots in this hotspot. It's your chance. Do that recalling you do so well.
Three, two, one, go! Oh, the kneecap!
It burns. Daisy, Daisy, give me your heart.
You should move soon. Seconds left.
Unauthorized service with a smile. Ow. The pain. Please keep your temper.
Ow, ow, ow! Is this the end of me? Not good, not good. Robot heaven, I see it.
60 seconds remaining. It's time to move, Agent 34.
A recaller among recallers!
Oh, it's back. I was just getting started.
You can do it!
Agent, 30 seconds left.
Power down. Not Good.
Continued movement is advised.
What a champ!
Ow, Daisy, Daisy, give me your heart.
Only 10 more seconds.
Customer promotion.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You met the recalling criteria.
Oh yeah!
Move to the objective.
A recall!
Look out, Agent. RoboReady doesn't think you're ready to deal with that quite yet. Let's return to the office. Teleporting you now.